Hi guys, in today's class, I'll be showing you how to use CoinMarketCap to know how many people are buying a particular crypto so that you can also buy yours, alright? Now you need to know how many people are holding a particular crypto so that you can know when to sell it, alright? Now this information is very, very important, and of course it shows you how to trade with your phone, alright? With this information, you can make cool profits for yourself, know when to sell, know what coins people are holding, and know when the price of the coin is actually going to go higher. All right. So without wasting much of a time, let's get straight into work. And of course, everything we'll be doing is going to be on the Coin Market Cap. So if you have a phone, you just need to download the Coin Market Cap on your device. All right. Now, to do that, click on Coin Market Cap and then you select the particular crypto you want to check out. Now, there are so many cryptos that will do so well in price, all right? There are so many cryptos that would increase so well in price, and you want to know how many people are holding the crypto because when people hold cryptos, it increases in price, all right, for a long time. So let's choose one out of all of these cryptos. So let's take for an example, let me use for an example, let's go down. Okay, let me select ton. Okay, now this is a very no, not new crypto, but it is recently making waves because it is particularly interesting. Okay, so let's use ton. When you select ton, okay, what you have to do is you just scroll down. Okay, scroll down and come to this area where you find analytics. Okay, analytics. You come here and then you select this place you see all. Okay, now when you click on see all, here you can see all the informations you want to know about ton. All right, now you can see whales. A lot of whales are big guys that have large amounts or large chunk of money. Okay, you can see 67% of whales are holding ton coin currently. Okay, then here you can see around 24% of investors are holding ton and 8% of retail are holding ton. Now whales are the big guys that wants to hold for a long time. So you can see the whales are the blue one. This one is for whales. Okay, this one. Then this one is for investors, IMV. Okay, then this yellow one is for retail. Now of course the whales are the people who control the price of the market. The if this green sorry, if the blue whale holding is reducing, it means the price of ton will be reducing. Okay, that's what it means. If it's increasing, it means the price of ton will be increasing. All right, now these retail people, their price, their holding or not holding doesn't really affect the market because they are just here for buy and sell. They are day traders. All right, investors also do not really shake the market because they are investing for a short term, and these guys are the ones investing for the long term. And how you know a particular crypto is not promising is that the whales are reducing their holding, all right, which means this blue one is falling. Okay, but you can see the blue one is abruptly moderate, so you can touch your screen and wave around. Okay, so you can see from here, let's say, look at the date, the date will be showing here. So while I'm moving it, be looking at the date. Okay, look at the date at this place. Okay, so I'm going to hold my screen right now and I'm moving it so you can see the date starting from, let's start from the um 16th of February. Okay, whales were holding 67% on the 16th of February, 67%. Then you can be monitoring the whales. Are they dropping their holding or they are increasing? You are monitoring it. Okay, whales dropped from 67 to 64 to 65. If you go check out on this August 23 or August 26, you see that the price of ton dropped in price. Okay, the value of ton dropped in price. So you can still monitor it and follow up. So whales started buying more. The whales started buying more, and of course, currently we are at 67, and it is just like we are at the same point we were last year. All right. So if it is reducing, you know that the price of ton will reduce because these are the big guys that control the market prices and everything you need to know about a crypto. All right. Now coming down, you can go down to see other other ones. But meanwhile, this is in a period of 1 year. Okay, you can navigate to 30 days, you can navigate to all time. All right. Now, coming down, how many addresses are holding ton? How many wallet addresses are holding ton? Okay, how many ton wallet addresses are holding ton? The more address holding ton, the more the more possibility that the price of ton will increase in value. Okay, so you come here and you see that there are 100 and 113 million addresses are holding ton. Okay, are holding a small percent of ton, which is around $0 to $1,000. These are the things you used to know or analyze your crypto. Okay, and then this other one, 51,608 addresses are holding ton, but they are only holding $1,000 to $100,000 worth of ton. Now, the least percent, which are the big guys, are just 1,527 addresses are holding $100,000 worth of ton and above. Okay. Now you can see that the one that controls the market is the one that controls the market majorly are these guys, which are 113 million addresses. And you can see the addresses have been increasing. You can see this blue line is increasing, means the addresses have been increasing. So the more the address has been increasing, the more the price of ton will be increasing. So you can use this to monitor how or whether you should buy a crypto or not. Okay, whether the crypto will do well in the long term or not. Now you can see obviously ton has been doing well. So as mean you purchase ton as at this date, by now you'd have made a lot of money if you go and check out the price of ton comparing this particular date and this particular date. Okay, the amount of addresses have increased significantly. Now this is just in a period of 1 year. You can also check in 30 days, and let's do that also. So if I go to the 30 days map, you can see this is you can wait it out a little and let's see how long it take it to come up. Okay, this is what 30 days look like. Okay, 30 days is more like not stable, but let's see. Let's see. 30 days ago, 107 million addresses were holding ton. Now I'm going to check out currently. You can see 113 million addresses are holding ton. So this is where I'm checking it. You can see where I see 113. Somebody asked me, where did you see 113 million? You can watch it out here. Okay, 113 million addresses were holding ton as at 30 days ago. So if I come here, so 30 days ago, 107 million. Once you are moving this white, this whole thing, once you're moving this stuff to the end, you see that it's now 113, which means there are more addresses holding ton currently. Okay, and the whales are also improving their holding. You can see if you start from here, the whales, the biggest guys holding 100 and above, we are 1576, but right now they are 1527. Guys, you can notice something. Look at the whales here, the big guys holding ton. 30 days ago they held more ton than today. Look at 30 days ago they were holding 1576. Okay, and today they are holding just only 1496 are holding today. Okay, 1527 are holding today. So you can use all of these things to know what you are doing with a particular crypto. If many people, but the people who control the market in this case are actually these guys. Okay, actually these guys. Okay, if they are reducing, you have to be scared because the price of the crypto will definitely come down. All right, then addresses by time held, which means how long have people been holding these coins. Okay, people who have been holding for a very long time, for 1 year and above, okay, are 5.67%, and there are 2.3 million addresses that have been holding ton from 1 year and above. Okay, people who just joined, you can see 1 to 12 months ago, 12, you can see these people are the cruisers. They have been increasing. People who just joined have been increasing. You can see this is the green one, then this yellow one at the top, the trader. Okay, less than 1 month, and it is awesome. All right, so guys, you can use this to determine if you want to buy a crypto or not. Okay, and if the crypto is going to come down in price or not. Now in the next few days I will teach you how to grow your business your crypto business, okay, using this whole analytics. All right, I'm just showing you so you can practice it or download the app. The next few days I'll show you how you can use these informations to grow your business. All right, how to know when to sell, when to buy, and know how to make decisions with other traders and other whales. All right, now do have a very wonderful day, guys, and if you love this video, give it a like, and of course I'll see you again on another one tomorrow.